Hi, welcome back to part 5 of the unboxing review of Takari Tomy and Hasbro's Transformers War for Cybertron Siege unboxing review. Uh, you know what I'm talking about. Let's just get back to the review. So, yep, this little fella here, Reggie, his face sculpt was kind of horrible. And if you look at it, it's kind of like the mini unpainted version of Power the Prime's Inferno. What I'm saying, it's almost a complete ripoff of Inferno, just, downscaled and less paint. I mean, the shoulders, you don't really see the shoulders here, but the head, you kind of see the head a little bit. Definitely the chest is right in there, the chest. Um, this little part of the chest, the black part, you don't really see. The crotch, you kind of see the crotch there. The feet, you kind of see the feet there. Not really much on the legs. Flip it over on the back, where you kind of see the little ladder and the hose right there. So yeah, it's kind of like a mini unpainted version of Inferno. So that's what Red Heat is. So to get Red Heat into its vehicle mode, you take the feet and you just tab them together like that. Then they're saying turn it over, raise the ladder up. Okay. They're showing it from this way. Then we turn around, we take these little like skis, as I'm going to call them, and we just put them down. Then they are supposed to just flop and bend, which I don't really think this is going to work too good. They're supposed to kind of tab and slot right into here. So let's see if this kind of works. I would say don't tab the feet together, just kind of line everything up. And then just, yeah. After it's kind of lined up, then tab the feet together. So there's a little pro tip. The feet do not tab them together from step 1. I recommend skipping step 1 and going to step 2, step 3, step 4 and 5. After you got kind of step 4 and 5, then step 1 will actually be more effective to squish the little fly together. Then we just put this piece down, take the little arms, line them up, and they're saying that they're supposed to collapse into each other. Huh. Okay, they don't collapse, you pull them back until they snap in. Which kind of leaves it a bit gappy. Actually, it's a lot of gaps going on. Which is weird. You have, like, as you can see, all this gap in here, and that's what they're showing. That it's supposed to be kind of sticks out and gappy. I don't like that. Like, seriously, the arms look like that they should go forward somewhat and line to place, but nope, they're saying that they're supposed to be all gappy.